Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So let us go with today's topic, GATE preparation for 2027. So I can I came to know recently that many of the students are preparing for the GATE 2027 very hardly. So I'm going to say how to prepare for it and how to actually to appear it. So basically total marks are there for 100 and total time is given 3 hours, which is 180 minutes. So as per the calculations for each question we can get 1 minute 48 seconds. So there are three sections in GATE. So these are the strategies and tips for CSE students and other related students of CSE. So what is GATE? So GATE is a graduate aptitude test in engineering, which is your gateway to prestigious MTech programs. It is an entrance exam for IIT, NIT, MTech, MSc programs across India with scholarships and stipends. Accepted for PSU requirement and government jobs, international higher education opportunities. So this is the most competitive exam where 2 lakh students compete for limited seats annually. So first we need to know our exam, that is exam pattern and scoring. We have MCQs, which is 65 for marks. For numerical answers, for we have 35 marks, in which we have, I mean, 1 mark questions are 33 and 2 mark questions are 32. So where we get 1 mark question 33 is 33 marks and the 2 marks question 32 is 64, I think, 64 marks, which is approximately 100. So for marking scheme, for 1 mark question correct answer, we get 1 mark for MCQs. For 2 marks correct answer, we get 2 marks for MCQs. For 1 mark wrong answer, we get minus 0.33 reduction. And for wrong answer of 2 marks, we get minus 0.6 for reduction of our gained marks. So 0 for non-negative, I mean not attempted question. So your gate journey opens doors to excellence. So which includes MTechs from IITs, government jobs, global opportunities, and technical growth. So why GATE? These are the top reasons. MTech from top IITs and NITs with scholarship or monthly stipend up to 12,400. PSU required recruitment, which includes NTPC, ONGC, Power Grid, Bharat Electronics with premium salaries. Higher education globally recognized and sponsored by institutes worldwide. Competitive advantage for tech industry placements and entrepreneurship. So this is your blueprint for the preparation. As I already mentioned, there are three sections in GATE, which include general aptitude, engineering, mathematics, and the core CSE subjects. So general aptitude is for 15 marks, engineering mathematics is for 13 to 15 marks, and core CSE subjects are for 70 plus marks. So when it comes to theory and fundamentals, which includes DL and circuits, digital logic and circuits, and next computer organization, and the other one is programming and data structures. The other one is algorithms and complexity analysis. The other one is DBMS, which is database management system. The other one is operating systems. And the advanced topics include theory of computation, compiler design techniques, computer networks and protocols, software engineering, web technologies, cybersecurity basics. So, and for CSE data science students, uh, this is a special, I mean, hint. So basically, for data science students, the strength is probability, linear algebra, programming, and algorithms. So you need to focus a bit more on computer organization and architecture, digital logic, and compiler design. This is, which includes heavy concepts. And so when it comes to winning strategy of your gate, so we can do it in three phases, which include phase one, which is concept building to cover 60 to 70% syllabus very deeply, and which include covering the concepts include mathematics, which is parallel for full year, C programming, data structures, algorithms, digital logic, computer organization and architecture, discrete mathematics, and which includes the focus on mainly on PYQs and short notes. The study plan is 3 to 4 hours daily in weekdays and 5 to 6 hours day. I mean in weekends. And the next one is phase two, which is core strengthening, which includes to gain the grip on operating systems, database management systems, computer networks, theory of computations, and compiler design. So to start with, we have full-length mock test, timed practice, and weak area analysis. We need to focus on full-length mock test by attempting it by practicing it timely and attempting it timely. And we need to analyze the weak area and we need to build a strong foundation actually in phase two. And we need to strengthen the core part to gain the excellence in the GATE exam. The next one is last phase, which is the crucial phase. So which is final revision plus mocks. So we need to have at least 2 to 3 full revisions and 30 to 40 full length mock tests. We need to focus on accuracy more than attempts, and we need to have short notes revision. Basically, this phase decides your rank and your place where you need to study and where you have, I mean, where you have to study and where you need to study. So when it comes to subject-wise weightage, maths include 15 marks, operating systems 10 to 12 marks, computer networks 10 to 12 marks, DBMS 8 to 10 marks, computer organization and architecture 8 to 10 marks, TOC 8 to 10 marks, digital logic 5 to 7 marks, compiler design 5 to 7 marks, aptitude 15 marks, and this includes the 6 months winning strategy. As you can see that the foundation phase, building phase, and mastery phase. The best learning resources of classic textbooks includes digital design by Morris Mano, C programming by Kernighan and Ritchie, algorithms by CLRS, which is gold standard, databases management system by Korth and Slipperstarch, operating systems by Galvin. Online platforms include Geeks for Geeks for concept clarity. YouTube platforms include Neso Academy and Gate Smashers. InterviewBit, Code Studio, Made Easy, ACE academic lectures, Grade Up for mock contests. So these are best online platforms which will help us to prepare for GATE efficiently. So which is the secret to consistent progress? Green is where you study, according to the academic plan, which I already said, weekdays 3 to 4 hours and weekends 5 to 6 hours. And blue, which is for, I mean, putting half efforts, and red, which is putting 25% efforts, and yellow, which is starting stage, which you need to progress a lot. So smart time management, and as I already mentioned, 3 to 4 hours is enough for weekdays management. So here I mentioned 5 to 7 hours, which will include in pushing your rank more than below less than 1,000. So mixed theory problem equally solving, and one full length mock test weekly, weekly revision of previous topics. Consistency matters more than the duration. And exam day tactics: read all the questions carefully for the 5 minutes, attempt easy questions, MCQs for the first 10 minutes, solve medium questions efficiently for 60 minutes, attempt hard questions for 30 minutes, review and verify the answer for 15 minutes. So avoid these common pitfalls. Starting too late with a structured plan, without a structured plan, will definitely will not help you. So focus 6 to 8 months from before the exam, memorizing without understanding. Focus on the concepts, not rote learning. Ignoring previous papers. So these reveal exam patterns and topics, so which will help you to boost your rank. And skipping mock test and practice test, which are the actual performance indicator. So you need to focus on mock tests. So these are subject specific master tips. Algorithms, we need to focus on master complexity analysis, dynamic programming, graph algorithms, and these are the 20% weightage. And DBMS, we need to focus on normalization, transactions, SQL, deadlock, high scoring if well prepared. Operating systems, we need to focus on processes, scheduling, memory management, and IPC, which is very important topic. And networks, which include OSI model, TCP/IP model, routing algorithms, frequently tested. Concepts are very heavy, and we need to focus on it. So your scoring target as you need. So to gain less than 1000, you need to choose green. To gain less than 1500, you need to choose the purple. To gain less than 3000, you need to choose red. To get okay rank, you choose orange or yellow. So these are the last 2 weeks championship notes. Solve one quantity full length mock tests and the previous papers daily. Focus exclusively on high yield topics 80-20 rule. They carried 70% questions. Get 7 to 8 hours sleep daily, which includes consolidates learning during test. So zero new topics. So you need to focus only on revision and accuracy improvement, not speed. So basically your mindset determines your destiny. Believe in your preparation, learn from mistakes, stay consistent. You got this. So cultivate your winner's mindsets, believe in preparation, consistency over intensity always wins the race. View failures as feedback. 1 second. View failures as feedback. Every wrong answer teaches you something valuable. Join study groups. Peer learning accelerate your growth exponentially. And physical health equals to mental performance and exercise. Nutrition and sleep are non-negotiable. So your IIT dream is just 6 to 8 months away. Study today. Every chapter learned, every problem solved brings you closer to the success. I'm again saying, start today. Every chapter learned, every problem solved brings you closer to the success. Your future IIT batch is waiting for you. So thanks for watching the video. And that's it for today's class. Let's meet in the next class, which includes our Python classes.